Good day. Today I'm showing the final DIY, the things that I created, the ambiance of the holidays, homemade, so, or whatever I can find within the home, balling with a budget. The little fireplace came from the Family Dollar store, and anyway, it came for that. And then under the big fireplace is a wreath and the stockings. Of course, these are made from little puff balls. Yeah. And then we still have gifts to deliver. This was made from paper plates from Party City. And underneath that is a file folder. Alright. Then we have the Christmas tree. My angel tree. Okay. We have Michael there, who's stomping on Satan, and the angels in the midst. 3 angels holding the ball, one behind, praying, and then the other. So actually, these are just lights in the garden and little things that represent the angel. And here's this angel created from paper plates and yarn, and old ribbons as the wings. Then we have, this was the wreath for last year, made out of horsehair and yarn and bells and a pin, brooch. Okay. Then we come over to the door. Then we have this. Don't know if y'all can see it, but if you go to my Facebook page, you get to see these items. This is a wreath made from the yarn with a decoration for the door, and an old poster board, and old jewelry strips, little strips right here for the earrings, and I put it right in the midst where I crocheted the collar, and then I made a drape for the dress. This is a regular scarf right here, and then this is yarn right there of my queen. So my DIY for you guys, what I created for the holidays. This is 2020. So I hope you guys a blessed 2020, a prosperous one, healthy one, and for you guys to take care of yourself and love yourself in order for others to love you. So please look down below and hit subscribe and hit that bell so you can know when I come on live. And please share. Sharing is caring, you know. Word of mouth is always the best form of advertisement. Spreading the word. Peace and love.